Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mr. Vogel coming at you live with a hot take on science fiction themes 2019. So I've noticed we've had a little issue with understanding what theme is when we're reading a book or a story, so this will help you understand that. So, first thing you need to know, what is theme? The theme is the life lesson of the story. What is it teaching you about life? It could also be said as the main message of the story. What is the point the author is trying to make to you? You can learn this or think about your theme by looking at what the character's actions and beliefs are and how they go about solving their world or their problems with the conflict of the story. So anytime you're reading something, you want to think, what did this story teach me about life? So it's always about big picture, the world that we live in, what can we take and then apply to life that the author is trying to teach us. So one example, and I'll use the story Harrison Bergeron. You look at first what you know about the story. So what do we know? Well, we know that this story, Harrison Bergeron, takes place in a dystopia. It's a future world where everybody has been made equal by handicapping all of their special abilities. No one is stronger or smarter or better than anyone else in the world. Which sounds nice, except this makes everybody's life miserable because they have to carry around heavy bags, they have to wear ugly masks, they have to wear headsets that drown out all of their deep thinking. So, what the author Kurt Vonnegut is trying to teach us is the theme of the story. So one possible theme could be we should celebrate what makes people special. We should look at people's special abilities and talents and admire them for it and try to learn from them and make the world a better place instead of being jealous. Another possible theme is that, yeah, equality is great. We really want equality, but equality should be about equal opportunities and not about equal abilities. So that should help you understand theme. So if you're reading I Am Number 4 and you're trying to figure out what the theme of that story might be, the first thing you need to do is think, what do we know? What do we know about the story? Well, we know that John Smith is next in line to be hunted by the Mogadorians, who want to kill the entire Lorien population. He must stay hidden, but that prevents him from living a normal life. So as he's going through that, deciding whether or not he wants to stay hidden or live the normal life of a teenager, he has to figure out, what do I need to do? So, as he's figuring that out, we're discovering the theme. So what is the theme? One might be, life is meant to be lived. He wasn't very happy staying holed up, moving house to house, getting new identities, and if he's doing that to protect his life, what is he actually protecting? Another possible theme might be, you can't run away from your problems. The Mogadorians are coming, and sooner or later, they're going to find him. And so, it did him no good to just run away and hide from those problems. He wasn't going to be successful until he took matters into his own hands and started actively fighting back. So this story teaches us a lot about life. However, those are just a couple of possibilities. If you think of anything else based on John Smith's transformation between the beginning and end of the story, you could have a theme as long as you justify it with textual evidence. Theme is up to personal interpretation. If you learned it, then it is a theme. So, the question is, what did you learn from I Am Number 4?